Welcome back, lovely people, to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be telling us how to get Temu free gifts very fast. You don't have to keep waiting for Temu to offer you free gifts. You don't have to keep logging into the app, hoping and wondering when you'll be offered, the free gifts, because I didn't know about this until I discovered, this code. So this code, all you need to do is just to search it on the Temu app search bar and the gift is yours. All you need to do is just to search it to activate, and then of course it comes with qualifying orders. When Temu offers you free gifts, you need qualifying orders to actually get this free gift. So here is the code. Just search FRS in small letter, okay? FRS 127497, and that's it. FRS 127497. Then you click on the search icon. 440 euros. I mean, if you're in the US, you get $440. Wherever you are, the currency you use, that's what you get. Whatever you pick, whatever the price. Are you ready? Of course I am ready. Okay, I like all this Temu animation stuff. It feels like a game and it's fun. Okay, so one trick I will always tell us: if you want the higher possibility of being offered the things you like or you want, add things to your wish list and to your cart, because when Temu offers you free gifts, you need to get those free gifts from the page they show you. It has to be from that page, okay? You don't log out and go and pick anything. No, you need to choose your free gifts from the page. So the more you add things to your cart and you put things in your wish list, if you don't know how to add things to your wish list, I have a video on that already. I'll link it up. Just check it out in my description, or as I'm talking, you'll see the video being suggested to you. So yes, I'll just go through and pick what I want, okay? I'll pick this fruit stand, the 3-tier one. Okay, so it's offered to me at €0. Let's see what else I'll pick. So, of course, Temu is doubling it from 4 free gifts to 8 free gifts, and this means I'll have to spend a higher amount of money on my qualifying orders. To be sincere, I don't like when they double my free gifts. I like to stick to the initial 3 or 4 that I'm being offered. Okay, so I'll just pick what I want. I'll pick this bowl, pick these food storage containers. I'll pick this mini home temperature thing. Wow, this home decor plastics. I added this to my cart, and this is why it's being offered to me here. So add things to your cart if you want to see them on your free gifts page. I'll pick this thing for cutting doughs. Okay, this plates. What else? I'll pick the cap. Okay, so I've picked all the free gifts, and they're at €109 worth of free gifts. So I confirm my address, and let's crack the egg to see what else I'm offered. 100% coupon back. Pick an item, get 100% coupon back. So now this is where you get your qualifying orders, okay? This is where you pick your qualifying orders and you pay for it. This is now what you actually pay for from your cash or your Temu credits, if you have any Temu credits. So just go ahead. As you can see here, it is indicated €40. So you need to pick, or rather I need to pick, in this case, items that are worth €40. Once I make that payment and it's confirmed, then Temu gives me those free gifts, or they can actually ask me to pick another set of qualifying orders, which I think that's what is going to happen. I don't even want to find out. I'm just doing this video to explain to us all how these things work, okay? So because I'm being offered a double gifts, I feel like when I go ahead to pay this or pick items that are worth €40 and I go ahead to pay, I'll still be asked to pick a second set of goods, okay? Because the stuff was doubled. But had they been they didn't double it and it's just 3 gifts, whatever it is I'm being asked to pay the first time, I think that's where it's going to end. So if you're being offered free gifts, have that in mind, okay? Don't be surprised if you're being asked to pick another set of items to pay after your first initial payment. Of course, that's how it works on the Temu app. Anyway, hope my illustration and this will help guide you on how to get those free gifts, especially with that code that I gave for the free gift. Okay, let me know if it works for you, and just comment in the comment section. And of course, the code you see here on the screen, the code for the €100 coupon, the free gift one that I just showed, the code for the exclusive deal, and the code to earn as an affiliate, everything displayed on the screen are all working codes. You can use them. All you have to do is search those codes on the search bar, just as I've shown you, and the code is activated. Just follow the prompts on what you need to do, and that is it. Meanwhile, I'm planning to do a video on how to earn on Temu. Let me know if you want to see that video. I feel every Temu app user should actually be an affiliate. If you're using the app and spending money, why not also earn money? No matter how much or little, I mean, you can earn a lot of money as an affiliate on Temu if you know how to play your game well. So yes, let me know if you want to see that video. Anyway, thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and of course leave a comment. If you have a question, just leave a comment and I'm going to do well to answer your questions. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.